Welcome back to my channel and to my kitchen, How to Cook. Today we are making vegetable Ital stew and smoked turkey drumsticks. Fast, easy and simple. Subscribe if you have not and turn on your post notifications so you won't miss any of these upload. And for all I'm returning goodie, on a don't know my love and on a ready for cook. Come on, let's cook.
Look what prayer can do. Hypocrite and bad mind must flow. The same mouth will cheer for you, and the same one them would turn round and boo. Yeah, prayer me I use and win. Prayer me I use and win.
Alright, goodie, let's talk about it. So you're going to need your smoked turkey drumsticks right here, okay? This is the main event. Then we're going to need some celeries, of course, chocho, onion, Irish potato, pumpkin, carrot, honey, some fresh garlic. The more onions you have, is the better it's going to taste. Now, of course, we're making Ital stew, so we need some red peas. You can always substitute out the red peas for any other peas. All right, let's cook. Now, in a container, I'm going to go ahead and use the pressure to make this thing turn up real fast. So I'm using a cup of the red peas, and I'm giving it a good wash just to make sure some I have no hidden suspects in the peas when we cook it. So we're going to give it a nice rinse and take out the unfortunate ones that don't make any sense. All right, let's make sure so the thing look pretty perfect. Now we're going to give the smoked turkey drumsticks a nice little wash. Right now, if you don't like smoked turkey drumsticks, you could always get the wings. It will work, or you could even use the neck bones. Perfecto, right? Or you could always leave it out. But this event is smoked turkey. So we're going to give it a nice little wash. Just cold running water, and you're good to go. You don't have to do nothing else. Let's go ahead and put it in. You need black pepper for the recipe, cloves, and you're going to need some allspice pimento seeds. Put it in there. And that's it. 2 bay leaves, put that in, add some fresh garlic, and of course you're going to add all of your vegetables into this one pot. And again, good, like I told you, we are going to put this in the pressure. Don't worry about I don't know what kind of pressure I'm not using, but this particular pressure that I'm using, it doesn't disarray my vegetables. Okay, so I went ahead and put it all in. And I added about 2 cups of water here. Oh, I'm thirsty, y'all. 2 cups of water here. Lock up the pressure cooker. And I'd already show you guys this pressure already. It is amazing, okay? A life changer. And I went ahead, set it up. And while it was cooking for 30 minutes, I went ahead and made my spinners. And all I did was just had a cup of all-purpose flour. Didn't add any salt because I make it Ital stew. Just knead it up real nice. And here we had our flour ready for this. We're going to the pot. Our spinners, right? Spinners. Alright. So that is what it looks like when you are done. It should be holding in so to be soft. It's easy to make spinners, right? Alright. Now we're going to go ahead and see what's happening in our pot. After a half an hour, 30 minutes, this is what it looks like. You see all the vegetables and the fall apart. This pressure, y'all better make sure so you get one. Me not promote them thing, but it is what it is. Real good. Now all I did was transfer everything into the pot that I'm going to be finishing up the recipe in. And as you could see how the meat is just falling off the bone, it fall off of the bone, and you look at the piece. It not mash up, and look at the vegetable, it's still holding. All right, so it does what it needs to do. Oh my goodness, I can't even tell you how much I love this. I don't know if I love it more than I love my Ocho seasonings them, but it is nice and tender, and it's exactly how I want it to be. I just want to go ahead and just kind of give it a nice little mince up, the thing, because we're not really focusing on the meat. We just want this flavor because we are making like an Ital stew, not a stew piece type of a thing, but whatever. That's what we're making, y'all. Okay, husband wanted to have Ital stew and stew piece, so I just figured I'll just make 2 things in a one pot. Yeah. So then I added the scallion and the thyme And then I added the hot pepper because it have to go in it. And then of course we are going to add some bell peppers. I chose to use green. And of course you cannot go without your coconut milk or cream or whatever you want to call it, whether you want to use the one that they can. And make sure that you add your spinners in right here, and you want to go in and add some seasoning. I did add the Maggi seasonings to it, and that is all I did. I didn't add any water. There's no need to add any water because whatever you have in the pressure, it is all done, nothing else, unless you want to make a big batch. But use your discretion and know if you need to add more water or leave it just like that, okay? But for me, I didn't need any water. I just went ahead and kind of combined, make sure the dumpling wasn't like been lost on top. A nice gentle little mix, gently. My piece is all done. All we're doing here is just letting it simmer, and I did allow it to simmer at a medium heat. Do not put it at a high heat. You want it to take its time and just come together. All the veggies just release the flavor and just come together, y'all. And that is what it looks like at a close glance. Let me tell you, this is a stew, y'all, and an ordinary stew, okay? Trust me. Believe me when I tell you. I covered it up and let it simmer nice and slowly. And when I was done, this is what it looks like. All the veggies are really combined, and all the flavors from the smoked turkey drumsticks just comes together amazing. This stew here is off the chain, y'all, off the chain. All right. I did serve it up, of course, with white rice. And I did make some veggies, whatever, and plantains, and yum, yum, yum. And y'all, I did not add any salt to the recipe at all. No salt. Any flavor that comes to the stew, it is from the meat, from the smoked turkey legs. That's all the flavor that was added. As far as it tastes kind of like a salty, but I had it no salt. Not even at the flour, I never put no salt. But that is what it looks like, y'all. Oh my goodness. It was all the way up. Yes, plantains, white rice, tomatoes, and cucumber. That's all is on the plate. It was amazing, y'all. That's it, y'all. Please don't forget to thumbs it up. All right, like it, share it, tell a friend, bring them, come and see them, come and waiting. All right, goodie. And when you not get done doing all of that, you know, tell me what you want to see me cook next in my kitchen. Remember to thumbs up. Remember to thumbs up the videos on the way out. And remember, as always, from my kitchen onto your kitchen. Enjoy.